I use rhinestones for this look, and I was glowing all day. Guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So first off, grab your setting powder. I'm using black ochre today, and my foundation, and I'm going to squeeze out a little bit of my foundation on the cover of the setting powder, and I'm going to dab in some setting powder onto the container, and I'm going to use this brush to mix it all. I am mixing my foundation and setting powder because I want the foundation to look flawless on my skin, and you're going to see how it's going to look right after I blend this out. So to blend, I'm making my sponge wet by spraying on some setting spray on it. And right after that, I grabbed my concealer palette, and I'm going in with my concealer underneath my eyes, on the sides of my lips, and on my chin, on my forehead, and also on the sides of my cheek as well. And I'm also applying my contour on my cheek and on my forehead, and also on the sides of my nose. And I'm also going to blend everything out with a wet sponge. I am wetting this with my setting spray, and I'm going to use this to blend everything out. I went in with my setting powder, and I'm setting underneath my eyes and every area that I highlighted earlier on. I'm just applying that on there to bake, and later on I'm going to dust everything off. And you can see me creating this kind of curved shape on my cheek. This is because I have apple cheeks, and I stumbled upon this technique recently, and I said I should try this out for this look, and I really like it. I think I would do this more often, I guess. So now I'm going in with my contour, and I'm contouring the sides of my cheek, my nose, my forehead, and underneath my chin to get rid of that double chin. Right now I'm going in with this orange shade over my eyelid. And after doing that, I'm making marks on my face just to indicate the places that I want to place the rhinestones on. And I'm grabbing my rhinestones. I use both big and small rhinestones for this look. So now what I did was I applied the glue on my face first, then I placed the rhinestones on the places that I applied glue on, and I'm pressing that in with my fingers. And I'm doing the same for the smaller ones, but I had to grab this dotting. I don't really know the name of this, but I will leave a link to it in the description. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Right after that, I am using this eyeshadow palette for my blush, and I'm just applying this on my cheek, and I'm blending that on towards my nose. And I'm going in with a shimmer shade, and I'm applying this on my nose, on my eyes, and on my lips. I also applied on my eyebrow, underneath my eyebrow as well. I grabbed my mascara and I'm going over my lashes and under my lash line. I'm using my MAC, my brown lip liner, and I'm outlining my lips. And I am going in with this bold color, red. I think this is the first red lip tutorial that I have on my channel. Yeah, and I really liked how it turned out. I've always been scared of red, but yeah, I liked how it turned out. So I also added some natural freckles and I set my face. And guys, I was obsessed with this look. I took it on for long and I was obsessed with it. And yeah, thank you for watching. I love to see you in the next one. Bye.